In this video, we're going to be checking out this AC adapter. This is a plug charging cord for HP specific laptops. So just taking it out of the box, show you what you get here. It's very common, but it does work, and these things get lost or stolen often, and so you're having to replace these. And if you've got an HP, definitely check this one out. So as you can see inside the box, you've got the cord that plugs into the wall, and then it plugs into the box here. And then you've got the plug for your laptop. So we're just gonna get this here, plug this in over here on the side wall over here. And then on my laptop, my charger cord is on this side. So you're just gonna plug this in, and it's in. As you can see, the little light came on, so we're getting a charge. So definitely does a trick. It does come with one of these little Velcro pieces here to help keep the cord put together well, and that's it. So if you're looking for a replacement cord for your HP laptop, highly recommend checking this one out.